Dallas is known for its vibrant culture, booming economy, and, of course, its unique climate. With scorching summers and occasional chilly winters, the weather in Dallas can be extreme and unpredictable. For homeowners, this means keeping indoor spaces comfortable while managing energy costs. One essential upgrade to achieve this is installing energy-efficient windows. Let's explore why these windows are a must-have for Dallas homes and how they can transform your living space. The challenge of Dallas weather. Dallas summers are intense, with average highs often exceeding 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat can penetrate traditional windows, causing indoor temperatures to rise and forcing air conditioning systems to work overtime. This not only increases energy bills but also puts unnecessary strain on your HVAC system, leading to costly repairs. On the flip side, winters in Dallas, though milder than in northern climates, still bring cold snaps that can leave your home feeling drafty and uncomfortable. Standard windows often fail to insulate against these temperature swings, resulting in fluctuating indoor conditions and higher heating costs. What are energy-efficient windows? Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies to reduce heat transfer between your home and the outdoors. Key features of these windows include low E-glass coatings. These microscopic layers reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. They keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes of glass separated by gas-filled spaces provide superior insulation. Insulated window frames. Frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite minimize thermal transfer compared to traditional aluminum frames. Argon or krypton gas fill. These inert gases are placed between glass panes to improve insulation without obstructing your view. Benefits of energy-efficient windows in Dallas. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce energy consumption. By minimizing heat transfer, these windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the workload on your HVAC system. This translates to lower utility bills year-round, making energy-efficient windows a smart financial investment. Enhanced comfort. Say goodbye to hot spots near windows during the summer and chilly drafts in the winter. Energy-efficient windows create a more consistent indoor environment, ensuring that every corner of your home remains comfortable regardless of the weather outside. UV protection. Dallas homeowners love their natural light, but prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Low E coatings on energy-efficient windows block harmful UV rays while letting in natural light, preserving the beauty of your interiors. Reduced environmental impact. By consuming less energy to heat and cool your home, energy-efficient windows help reduce your carbon footprint. This environmentally friendly choice aligns with the growing trend toward sustainable living. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are a highly sought-after feature for homebuyers. Installing these windows not only saves you money but also boosts your property's resale value, making it a win-win investment. Choosing the right windows for your Dallas home. When selecting energy-efficient windows, consider these factors. Climate zone. Dallas falls in a hot climate zone, so prioritize windows with high solar heat gain coefficients, SHGC, to block heat effectively. Window style. Popular options like casement and double-hung windows offer excellent insulation and ventilation. Choose styles that complement your home's design. Professional installation. Proper installation is crucial for maximizing the performance of energy-efficient windows. Hire experienced professionals who understand the unique challenges of Dallas weather. The bottom line: energy-efficient windows are more than a home improvement, they're a lifestyle upgrade. By investing in these windows, Dallas homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and protection from the city's extreme weather conditions. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing windows, this is one improvement that pays dividends in comfort, savings, and sustainability. Don't let Dallas weather dictate your indoor comfort. Make the switch to energy-efficient windows and experience the difference they can make in your home. Contact a local window expert today to explore your options and take the first step toward a more comfortable, energy-efficient future.